So the first property we're going to look at is this one right here. And we can see some of the details on it right here. Now, one thing that we were talking about with our coaching students when we were going through stage 1 due diligence is reviewing this assessment information. But here in the case, we may have photos of it. You can see all of these different things here that are going to give us additional information on it.
Yeah, there we go. So we've got a photo of the house from
2024.
Yeah, 2024. So a couple of years old here, but not too old.
Yeah, we can kind of get an idea of the value of it. And here's the property located right here. So, I was kind of wondering how good a deal could this really be, but you can see it's a lot nicer homes right next to it. I mean, some of these are newer homes right here, pretty new homes. So it's this one right here, and they valued it at about $192,000. So it was picked up for $44,000 and valued about $192,000. And in looking at, if you were to really do a nice rehab on this, something like an addition, these homes right here are like $300,000 to $400,000 homes plus.
And how much did this sell for again?
It sold for 47.
So 47,000. Wow, that sold for really not very much. I mean, it sold for a very low percentage of value here.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna need work, but I think that if it was rehabbed and maybe you even put, I think with the value of the property next to it, it'd be worth even doing something like an addition on it. Or you could just turn around and sell it for 120 grand and make 60, 70 grand on it quick. So